Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Messenger update not working. Go to your settings and then kind of look for application management and then click this one. Now go to app list and kind of look for Instagram. Click Instagram. Go to data usage details. Click clear cache and clear data. Also, you can try another method. You can go to Play Store if your Instagram is updated or not. Type Instagram, and as you can see, my Instagram is updated, so all I have to do is to click open. As you can see here, Instagram Messenger is still not working. So let's try this third method. All you have to do is to go to settings, click privacy, and then under privacy, go to message controls, click your followers on Instagram and others on Instagram. Always make sure that you check for the both of this. After that, go back to app management again, go to app list, go to Instagram, and this time all you need to do is to clear the cache. Do not clear the data. Now, go back to your Instagram account. Let's see if it's working now. Here it is. Your Instagram Messenger is now working. If you find this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.